Today I will show you how to get back deleted emails in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I want you to do is log into your Gmail account. Once that's done, I want you to understand that there are a couple of ways we can get back our deleted emails. And the first way to get back your deleted emails is to go to more here on this side button and then go to trash. Now here you can see the recently deleted emails and you can decide to restore them back to where you want them to go to. Now there are also times that you probably wanted to delete an email but you mispressed the button and it sent it somewhere else. And if you don't realize where it was sent, you can search this search bar here with this keyword and it's going to take out the email from everywhere and you can find deleted emails that way also. You can also come to Google and search for Gmail message recovery tool and then you click on it and it's going to ask you a couple of questions and then from there you're going to be able to recover permanently deleted messages. And that's how you get back deleted emails in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.